Jocelyn McClellan here, and I'm coming at you with crazy. This is how I style my hair. You guys wanna know how I style it straight. You wanna know ways that you can style it curly. Of course, I have a million different ways that we can style it curly, but here is what I'm doing today. You guys ask for all the time on how I do my hair, how I can help you to do your hair, and I'm gonna bring it to you right now. So on this side, I'm gonna leave it straight because with this hairstyle, you guys love it straight, but you also love to see it curly. I'm gonna use a hair tool that kinda is new with long hair. This is called the Le Duo. Le Duo is great for long hair, for shorter hair. What it does is it kinda gives the, like when some people, they have a really hard time where they have to go round and round, like how do you do it? So this one's just gonna slide all the way through, but it allows you to like envision the curling part. And so then it has these little bumps right here so that within that, it has like a fan that helps cool the curl down. What you're gonna wanna do with this tool right here is you're gonna give the power button and then you have the fan. You're gonna hold the power button in. Okay, and you see this, that it's set on that 280 degree. If I keep pumping it, it's gonna go higher or lower depending on how I keep touching it. Okay, so I'm gonna do 360 on mine, and it's just gonna sit here and it's just gonna wait. It's not gonna wait, it's going to be doing its thing, and then you're gonna hear the fan kick on. So I like this hair tool. I like the job it does. It does give a little bit different of a curl than some other things do, but it's made so that if people want to straighten the hair or if they want to curl the hair, they can. I use it for curling more than I ever do for straightening. I love my hair straightener, and that's honestly more so why. But the thing that I do love about it is I'm somebody who likes to travel easy, and I like things that I can take with me to travel easy. So if I am wanting to straighten my hair and if I am wanting to curl my hair and I want to take this, I easily can. It is a fun hair tool. The very first time I ever used it, I truly was like, okay, this is really cool. So you can hear that fan is turned on now. I'm going to curl just one side of my, where's my hair thing? Just one side of my hair so that you can then see what it looks like straight and what it looks like curly. All right, so what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna start in the back. I, of course, parted off my hair. Depending on what you want depends on the pieces that you're gonna pull. So of course, the smaller the pieces, the better, the smaller your curls will be. Okay, you're gonna put it in, you're gonna turn it, and you're just gonna keep on going round and round and round. Okay, so then I have that fun curl there, and I'm gonna go through and do more. So again, I just put it in, and I just follow that circular shape. You can hold on to this piece if you want, but you're just gonna keep it moving through or pull it down like so to get a little bit different of a look. So again, let me do this one. I should have parted this differently, to be completely honest with you. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it like here so it's easier for me to just flip it around, and it's just following the path of the actual tool. And this is my side that never goes how I want it to. I dream of it, but it never does. Okay, I'm not gonna do the ends, the full complete ends, because I want those to stay how they are. And then you just follow it all around. And it really, I'm gonna straighten out this end. The job that it does. I really, really like it a lot. Okay, so again, mine's at 360, and I know with my a lot of my other hair tools, I'll do them at 390. So you just do them at kind of what I did was, honestly, I put it at 360 because I felt like it was a little hotter than my normal wands, and then it went through a lot smoother. So that is how I got it figured out that I wanted it at 360, is because it just glided through. This is definitely a hair tool that you want your hair to be brushed before you do it. You don't want there to be snarls or anything because it goes through smoother if you have it brushed. Okay, this is the front of my hair, so I'm not gonna go all the way up to the root for these front curls. Slide one down, I'm gonna straighten out this piece because that is the look I want. All right, so here is the curls that we have so far. Check these babies out. It already makes a huge difference and I haven't even styled my hair yet. So I'm gonna tell you, kind of walk you through what I do. On this side, after I'm gonna turn this fan off. There we go. On this side, after I use my Le Volume and I just kind of get this little curl to it, I really don't do much else. You can take your Marula oil and you can kind of put it on your ends if you want to just make sure things are super, super clean if you'd like, but I really don't do much. I will add hairspray to the front just because I don't want it to, where we touch the front of our hair more, I don't want it to get greasy as fast. And I know that for me, if I don't put product, or if I don't put, product in my hair, it kind of goes greasier. Okay, so that's really and truly all I do on this side. As the week goes by, because I will let this go like 3 days, I will do like a little bit of shine spray to it. I'll just put it in my hand and then put the spray to it, or I'll just make sure that that spray is only hitting key places because I don't want this getting oily. So sometimes I will do that later throughout the week. Okay, now on this side, anytime I do my curls, I go in with my Marula oil up front. I kind of squish, move, pull through. And I really do loosen up these curls just a bit, give it some good volume with them. But it really is just a little flick of the hand. It's nothing too crazy. But look at that volume on both sides. I mean, this is really good volume for having it straight, but look at the difference that it can make. So I'm gonna kind of like block this side so you guys can't see it. Okay, so there's what the short hair can do for you, just like so. But this is how I style my short hair. Like it's here or here. And then this is the look with having it straight. They're both so fun and they both are super easy, very quick. One using the Le Volume from Launch and this one is using the Le Duo. I am an affiliate for Launch. I do have links that you can do below, but I will tell you this when it comes to my hair tools, I'm gonna use the things that I absolutely love. I have tried a couple different ones like the Le Volume Haute, so you know what I'm talking about with the Le Volume. You know, one of these, Revlon has one and all that jazz. I have compared it to the Revlon one too, and I definitely have a favorite, and it is these. With this, it has metal right in here instead of plastic, and the little tips of the brushes stay on a lot better than the Revlon's ones do as well. So you are set. So there you go. This is how I will style the hair. I'm gonna just roll and wrap and do the other side now, but this is how I style my hair. I do, once again, I got rid of the length that I had going in front, and we've just kept it more so like this. I hope you love this tutorial. I hope you have a good day. Don't forget, you can always find me on Instagram, Jocelyn.McClellan, and Facebook, Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan. Absolutely love interacting with you guys. You guys can get hair tutorials on the Facebook page every Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday for makeup, Thursday for hair, and we'll roll this baby out. Have a good one. Bye.